Hi, I want to show you only for demonstration how to clean or how to disassembly until you can clean it. First, take this from this side out. You need to flat the display. Take this out. There are two screws under this, one here and one here. I don't have one. Oops. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, now remove the keyboard around here somewhere, and as you can see, here is the heat pipe. You need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and then take everything out. I think, I'm not sure. Hope I am right. I hope that I am right. Okay, let me put this back here. Okay. Good. Put everything back. As I told you, this is only for demonstration, that I have no intention in cleaning this laptop. And put this back. Good.